Hello friends, today we will discuss about matrices. It comes in the third chapter of your higher secondary class 12 maths book. Already তোমালোকক sare matrices পঢ়াই আছে, so তোমালোকৰ doubts আছে যদি তোমালোকে clear কৰি ল'ব পাৰা. So let's start. So what is a matrix? Definition. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. For example, let A is a matrix. So this is a rectangular array. Why rectangular? Because this is similar to a rectangular box. 2, 3, 0, root 2, 1, minus 1. These are called elements of the matrix A. So 2 is an element, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 1. এইবিলাকক তোমাৰ elements বুলি কোৱা হয়. Next, matrix তুমি consider কৰিব পাৰা B. First element কি আছে তোমাৰ fx, second element আছে তোমাৰ sin x, third element আছে তোমাৰ minus x square, fourth element আছে তোমাৰ x plus 5. So these are examples of matrices. Next come to order. So what is order? Order of a matrix means number of rows into number of columns. So in this matrix, how many rows are there? One row, second row, third row. So number of rows of the matrix A is 3 cross. This is not into, it is cross. And the number of columns of this matrix A is what? First column, second column. So 2. So order of the matrix A is what? We will call it as 3 cross 2. Next come to the matrix B. Here how many rows are there? Fx sin x, this is the first row, or it is also known as R1, and this is the second row denoted by R2. So how many rows we have? 2 cross. And columns how many we have? One column C1, second column C2. So 2 cross 2. So order of the matrix B is 2 cross 2. Clear? Next we come to general representation of a matrix. How we represent a matrix in general form. So this is the matrix. A11, A12, A33 goes to what? Aij goes to Ain. So A11 is the first element. So here this first one represents for the first row and this one represents for the first column. So consider this element A13. So why this element is called A13? Because this element is belongs to the first row 1 and it belongs to the third column, so it is A13. So similarly Aij, this element is Aij because it belongs to the ith row in jth column. So considering in all this way, this is the general form of the matrix. So what is the order? M cross n. Why? Because we have m rows here, 1, 2, 3. So how many rows? M rows and n columns. These are what? N columns. So order of the matrix is what? M cross n. Now what is this m and n? M and n are natural numbers. That means it will start from 1 to infinity. Now A, I, J are called what? Elements. So we have studied about the general representation of a matrix, order of the matrix. Now A, I, J are called the elements. And so how many total elements are there in the matrix? So it is very difficult to count all the total elements in a normal way. So given the order, we can determine the total number of elements with this formula, m into n, that is product of number of rows and the number of columns. So for example, if we take this matrix A, so how many rows are there? 2 rows, 2, 5, 3, and the second row 4, 5, 2. The order of the matrix is what? 2 cross 3. So number of elements will be what? 2 into 3, 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear? So verified. By this formula we have got 6, and by usual calculation 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next we come to types of matrix. So first we are given column matrix. So from the name itself we are getting column matrix. So how many columns will have? Yes, one column. Matrix with one column is called column matrix. Example, so this is a matrix where we have 4 rows, 1 2 3 4, but only one column. Next we come to row matrix. Similarly, row matrix with one row. So here we take the example A. How many rows we have? One row, columns 1. So this is a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So how many columns? 1 2 3 4. And how many rows? So this is a row 1. Next we come to square matrix. So a matrix with equal rows and equal columns is called a square matrix. So what is a square? So for square you need equal length and equal breadth. So for a square matrix you will have equal rows and equal columns. So this is a square matrix with number of rows and number of columns are equal. So next we come to diagonal matrix. So to have a diagonal matrix we must always have a square matrix. A rectangular matrix cannot be a diagonal matrix. So a square matrix, and the second condition is what? Non-diagonal elements are 0. The non-diagonal elements are 0. So consider this is your square matrix. So what? This is the diagonal elements. So for this matrix this is called your diagonal elements. The elements in the diagonal are called the diagonal elements. So non-diagonal elements are what? The elements which are not in the non-diagonal, which are not in 0 0. So this is which element? Your A22, sorry, A11, and this is your element A22. So AII, that means A11 and A22 are not 0, and other elements A12 and A21 are 0. Clear? Next we come to scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix such that equal diagonal elements. So for a scalar matrix what must we have? Is similar to diagonal matrix, but these two diagonal elements must be what? Same. So here this is example of scalar matrix. Non-diagonal element 0 and the diagonal elements are same. So what will have? AII will be a constant, any number, any real number. So A is what? Any real number, or you can also say complex number. Now we come to identity matrix. A scalar matrix. Identity matrix is a scalar matrix with what? Diagonal elements equal to 1. That means the off diagonal elements will be 0, same as diagonal matrix, but these diagonal elements must be equal to 1. So this is a scalar matrix of order 3 cross 3. So now we come to zero matrix. So for a zero matrix you can have a rectangular or square matrix. Just from the definition, all the elements must be what? 0. So this is zero matrix of order 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, and here how many rows? 1 rows, and how many columns? 3 columns. So 1 cross 3. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া আহা তোমালোকে equality of matrices. So দুটা matrix two matrices will be equal, are said to be equal. কেতিয়া? First and foremost condition, they must have same order. Order must be same. ইয়াত যদি তোমাৰ 2 cross 2 হয়, ইয়াতো তোমাৰ 2 cross 2 হ'ব লাগিব। ইয়াত 2 cross 3 হ'লে ইয়াতো তোমাৰ 2 cross 3 হ'ব লাগিব। তে each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. ঠিক আছে? Example 1, 2 root 2 3 4 5 2. B লোৱা 2 root 2 3 4 5 2. A order কি হয় তোমাৰ 2 row and 3 columns, so 2 cross 3. B order তোমাৰ 2 row and 3 columns, so 2 cross 3. Then A equal to B. কিয়? Order same আছে আৰু corresponding elements of A and B are equal. It means Aij equal to Bij. 2 2 root 2 root 2 3 3 4 5 2. ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া next example, এটো example 1 লোৱা, example 2 লোৱা 1 0 0 minus 1 আৰু B লোৱা 2 3 1 minus 1. Order কি হয় ইয়াৰ 2 cross 2, yet order 2 cross 2, but A not equal to B. Although orders are same, but since corresponding elements here 1 we have, here 2, here 0, here 3 are not same, therefore A is not equal to B. Each element must be same. ঠিক আছে?